You might have your Polotno Studios files saved in your computer, and if you want to open them out so that you can continue working around with those files, then you can go around onto your file menu right here and then click on open. Once you do that, you get the Explorer window as you can see right here. And now what you can do is you can explore your drive right here and then open the JSON file right here that you may have saved out. So it may be JSON or .polotno file right here. So you can go around and click on open, and then whatever file you may have saved out will open up just like this as you can see. So that is how you can simply open up file right here. So you go to file, go to open right here, and that's it. That's how you can go around and easily open out files that you may have saved previously and continue working around with this and making changes to it. So that is how you can go around and easily open out files that you may have saved in Polotno Studios to continue working with them. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.